Hello everyone, welcome back to Gear Up Windows. If you use the Vivaldi browser and want to back up your saved passwords, transfer them to another browser, or simply keep a copy of for yourself, Vivaldi lets you export all saved passwords as a CSV file. In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to export saved passwords from Vivaldi on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First, open the Vivaldi browser. Now click the Vivaldi menu in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the left pane, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find Passwords section. If you want to see all the saved passwords in Vivaldi, click the Show Saved Password button. To export passwords, click the Export Passwords button. Windows may ask you to verify your identity. Enter your Windows password, PIN, or use Windows Hello to continue. Now choose the folder where you want to save this one file. Give it a name if you want and then click the save button. That's it. Your saved passwords have now been exported as a CSV file. Keep in mind that a CSV file stores passwords in plain text, so anyone who opens it can read your usernames and passwords. For your security, store this file in a safe location, encrypt it if possible, and delete it when you no longer need it. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gear Up Windows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.